7 ways men become more desirable to women. Most men think attractiveness is about looks, height, or money. But in reality, a man becomes desirable through the way he moves, speaks, carries himself, and treats the world around him. These are qualities any man can learn, and the men who master them stand out without even trying. Today, we break down 7 powerful tips that make a man truly desirable to women, in ways that go beyond surface-level attraction and straight into who he is. Tip number 1. The power of presence. The most desirable men have something rare: presence. When they walk into a room, they don't rush, they don't fidget, they don't shrink themselves. They move with calm, steady intention. A man with presence listens before he speaks, holds eye contact without fear, stands tall with relaxed shoulders, speaks slowly, not anxiously, smiles with genuine warmth. Presence is magnetic because it signals inner stability. Women naturally gravitate to men who feel centered, grounded, and self-contained, not those constantly seeking validation or attention. Presence whispers, "I'm comfortable in my own skin, and you can feel safe around me." Tip number 2. Emotional strength, not emotional coldness. Many men confuse emotional strength with being emotionless, but desirable men know how to express emotions without being controlled by them. They show calmness during stress, the ability to talk about feelings without fear, the capacity to listen without judgment, self-control under pressure. Emotional strength happens when a man has done the internal work. He knows his triggers, his insecurities, and his weaknesses, and he doesn't run from them. Women don't desire perfection, they desire safety, and emotional maturity creates that. Tip number 3. Ambition that has direction. A man with purpose is powerful, not because of the goal itself, but because of the fire behind it. Desirable men wake up every day with intention. They're working towards something that matters: a career, a craft, a passion, a mission. Women don't need him to be rich. What they're drawn to is his momentum, his drive, his refusal to stay stagnant. Ambition with direction shows discipline, self-belief, long-term thinking, leadership potential. A man with purpose makes the world feel bigger, not smaller, and that is deeply attractive. Tip number 4. Social confidence and charm. Charm isn't about being the loudest guy in the room. It's about connection. A socially confident man makes others feel heard, cracks jokes without forcing them, asks genuine questions, doesn't dominate conversations, can talk to anyone, young, old, stranger, or friend. He isn't trying to impress, he's simply comfortable engaging. Women find charm attractive because it shows emotional intelligence, the ability to navigate social situations with ease. It says, "If you bring me anywhere, I'll fit in and make the people around us feel comfortable." That comfort is desirable. Tip number 5. Physical presentation and hygiene. Every man can increase his attractiveness instantly with one simple principle: effort. Not perfection, just consistent effort. Desirable men take care of grooming, haircut, skincare, scent, well-fitted clothes, clean shoes, good posture. A man doesn't need designer outfits. He needs clothes that fit his body well, a scent that matches him, and grooming that shows he respects himself. Good hygiene and style signal, "I care about myself, I'm disciplined, I bring value wherever I go." Women notice the little things. The effort behind them is what makes a man desirable. Tip number 6. Boundaries, standards, and self-respect. Many men lose attraction by trying too hard to please, but the most desirable men maintain standards. They don't chase attention, they don't tolerate disrespect, they don't change their personality to impress someone. They don't overexploit themselves to gain approval. They walk away when they need to. They say no when necessary. They value their time, energy, and peace. A man with boundaries is a man who knows his worth. Women respect men who respect themselves. Boundaries are attractive because they show strength, stability, and maturity. Tip number 7. The right balance of mystery and openness. Desirable men know how to reveal enough, but not everything at once. Mystery doesn't mean secrecy, it means depth. These men share their thoughts and experiences, but they don't overshare. They don't dump their entire life story on someone they just met. They don't try to prove themselves. Instead, they let their personality unfold naturally. A balance of mystery and openness creates curiosity. Women feel drawn to learn more, piece by piece, over time. And curiosity is a form of attraction. Desirability isn't an accident. It's built through discipline, self-awareness, and quiet confidence. A desirable man isn't perfect. He's not flawless. He's not the loudest or the richest or the most impressive. He's simply a man who owns himself, who treats others with respect, who moves with purpose, calmness, and inner strength. And that combination is magnetic. When a man lives with intention, women feel it long before they understand it. So if you thought these tips were helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our weekly videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.